Kentucky. This is Phil Fest. This is my first time coming here. This is packed as fuck, bro. Like, this drifting on me over there. There's like truck cars, kind of truck cars over here. There's like more cars in the back. Corvette, V8, more Mustang over here. There's a lot of cars here. Here it's so loud, like you couldn't hear nothing. More cars over here, just a lot of cars. It's bad. It's about to end at the same time. Got the Supra, the Mark 5, the Mark 4, and the Toretto. This is nice.